Hi guys and girls, I wish you very nice weather. In my country is very bad weather today. Like you see, it's very strong wind and rain. It's morning, 7 in the morning. Susan is up to school. My wife is driving a car, so this weather is very bad. I wish you a sunny day and successful, happy, smile and good luck. See you afternoon. Bye bye.